Hey Sherrod, it's Watson here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. We're going to take a nice look at this blue GT53. All right, fantastic. Let's take a look at this 2022 GT53. Now, this is in a very special Starling Blue Magno finish. You're not going to see this color very often. It actually took about a year to get this manufactured. It's very exclusive. Now, when they designed this one, they also put the exclusive saddle brown black Nappa leather interior, which we'll see shortly. Now, the list of options on this beauty is just stupendous. It goes on and on and on. So you've got the driver's assistance package, which gives you the fantastic capability of the intelligent cruise control, driver's assist, active distance assist, active speed limit assist, which is fabulous. You've also got the warmth and comfort package, which includes the heated steering wheel, rapid heated seats, and heated armrest. If that wasn't enough, this was also ordered with the executive rear seat package, 44 split seats, 40-40 split seats, split folding rear seats, and 3-zone automatic climate control, which also includes the NFC wireless charging in the rear. Now you can see the rear of this vehicle is just got really, really nice look. You've got the airfoil that comes up in the back and your beautiful AMG tuned exhaust in the rear. Those 21-inch crossed forged wheels really set the vehicle off and give it a nice stance on the road. By the way, that performance exhaust can be altered depending on the type of tone and timbre that you'd like to hear in the cabin. All right, so let's take a look at that beautiful exclusive interior. All right, so you can see that carbon fiber trim really goes nicely with the saddle brown black Nappa leather. Now that leather is just absolutely soft to the touch and diamond stitched for a very exclusive look. This GTE 53 is just a gas to drive. The biturbo V6 engine on these, it just gets up and goes. Let's take a look inside the rear door. Oh, that's the exclusive rear seat package, and you can see how luxurious and comfortable that looks for your passengers in the back. They've also decided to include on this the soft closed doors, which come from the S-Class series, and that basically allows you to, when you close the door, you don't have to, once you get close, it will go ahead and close automatically. Soft closed doors. Well, that's just a close look at the GT53, a really nice luxury race setup. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look around. You can call me. My name's Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-510-2284. Thank you.